Imagine if you could change your clothes in the blink of an eye. A chameleon does exactly that, shifting colors in just 3 seconds to match its surroundings perfectly. Then there's the octopus, basically the escape artist of the ocean, who can turn invisible and blend into any background like magic. And don't even get us started on the stick insect. It looks so much like a twig that birds completely ignore it and fly right past. Nature's ultimate ninja move? These three animals figured out that the best defense isn't fighting back. It's just vanishing. Being sneaky and smart, that beats being strong every single time.